How to edit GoPro 360 videos in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the GoPro Quik app on your device. Next, go to the Studio tab located at the bottom of the screen and select the 360 video you want to edit from your media library. Tap on the video to open it in the editor, where you can see various editing options specifically designed for 360 footage. You can start by using the framing tool to choose your preferred viewing angle or perspective from the 360-degree footage. Simply drag or move the frame to highlight the part of the video you want your viewers to focus on. After setting your framing, explore other editing features like trimming unwanted parts, adjusting brightness and contrast, or adding filters to enhance the overall look of your video. Once you are satisfied with your edits, tap Save to apply the changes and export your 360 video in a format ready for sharing on social media or other platforms. Now you know how to edit GoPro 360 videos in GoPro Quik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.